What's up, and don't forget to follow me. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use eye gloss. This is specifically made for the eyes. So to get started, I need to get my brows out of the way. I'm using a brow pencil. Then I'm going to use some brow gel to laminate them. This is not permanent. Following that up with a brow pen just for some hair strokes, and of course concealer only on the bottom though, period. Then I'm taking this cream product. This is a contouring stick, and I'm blending it all across my lid and into my crease, creating the shape that I want. I'm also putting this underneath my eye on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking this waterproof eyeliner, and I'm just going to basically trace my upper lash line, and I'm blending that out with a fluffy brush that's tapered. Of course, you want to build this up to get it as dark as you want it to be. And I go all the way around my eye except for this tiny little gap, but you can fill it in if you want. And I'm doing the same thing on the bottom, blending it down and out and using my taper brush to connect the two. Now, you definitely don't want to leave this as is because cream products do move, especially if you have oily eyelids like me. So I'm going to take a black eyeshadow, put it right on top, and of course I'm blending that out too. After that, I'm using this Cosmos palette from ABH, and I'm going to take the silver shade and put it in my inner corner. Then I'm popping on these lashes that you cannot buy anymore. Don't ask, I'm so sorry. And we're going to get right into the eye gloss. Now with the eye gloss, we're going to zoom in, and I'm putting this in the fold of my eye. I'm putting it there because I don't want it sliding around everywhere, and the fold's going to hold it pretty good. Then I'm using the same brush. This is a lip brush, by the way, and I'm blending this out using a super light hand. That means that there's not a lot of pressure because I don't want this to be heavy in the areas where I'm blending it out, especially around the fold of my eye and my tear duct. I'm just tapping what's right there on, and I'm not going over the black eyeliner and eyeshadow with this product, except on the bottom, okay? Because it didn't move or get into my tear duct this way, and the eyeshadow on the top also acts as sort of a border for the gloss. So this is the final look. Make sure you go check this out on ABH's website. You know what I'm saying? You can use my affiliate link, period, and follow me. Duh.